Hello and welcome to Where Are We Going? This is Isaac and I'm here today reviewing a Jayco Comet for you. So the Jayco Comet sits on the RAM Promaster 1500 chassis and it looks pretty loaded with all the fog lights. The modern new front makes it very attractive on the road. As you can see from the exterior, it comes with a fully Omnister awning, the railings. On the exterior, on the driver's side, you have this awesome light, your city water connection, your gray water holding tank, the cable TV satellite input, additional solar panel input, 30 amp connector, the exhaust for the heat, and down below you have the low point drains. And I see here the exhaust for the generator. It looks very sleek. And on the roof, it's got the vine guard, the AC, and the solar panel. So it comes fully loaded, all by Jayco. And it sits on a very compact RAM Promaster 1500 chassis. As we enter the van, it's got a very spacious, open feeling to it, with the front seats swiveling into the cabin. It adds to the interior and into the space. Even though this van is only a 1500 chassis, it really feels wide and spacious. It's really hard to tell that this is a 1500 chassis, and it comes fully loaded. I want to show you the kitchen first. Obviously we have the sink, not so big, but it's not small either. We have a lot of drawers in here. The top drawer is the one that I'm very excited to show you. This one has a cutting board integrated into this drawer, which makes this space a lot bigger for prep area. And if you remove this, you have storage. Then you have lots of storage, lots of drawers to have a lot of stuff stored in them. And it goes all the way down to the floor. Under the sink, we have a somewhat narrow cabinet with the water filtration and the heating exhaust. Across from the kitchen, we have a microwave and a refrigerator. I think it's a 86 liter capacity, 12 volt refrigerator with a freezer compartment. It's pretty good. It's very generous size for this small of an RV. Above the single seat here, I have a storage space, which also is the housing for the controller for the solar panels, the inverter, and the outlet for the microwave. And this is all carpeted. It's very nice, pretty deep. You can still utilize the space. This single entrance seat also has a lagoon table option that this easily could become an office space. By the kitchen, We have the lighting, and it's dimmable. That's very cool. 2 USB ports and 2 110 AC outlets. Lots of storage cabinets on the main wall. Also on the wall here, the Aqua-Hot water heater and heater. That is very accessible. There's a window here with the inbuilt screen. And also privacy shades. Above the cab, we have a TV. You pull and drop, and now you have entertainment in this little camper van. When you turn and swivel the front seat, the passenger seat, you can see where the fire extinguisher resides. There's also a cup holder and another lagoon table port with 2 USB power ports. This is really, really cool and easily stored back and locked. When it comes to the power, this is your circuit panel for all the electricity and the power on board. This got lithium batteries. And how does this turn into a bed? There's mechanisms here, so I see that there's legs. So this pulls out completely. These legs, you press the button, release and lock. They both come down. Now you have this bed where you would have to put these cushions into its place. And I think, as you can see, this opens up. And I assume it sits on top of this, like so. So you have a very comfortable full-size bed with the cushions that go on top. Sorry for the rough demonstration here, but this is a very comfortable bed for 2 people. I was wondering how 2 would fit here, but I think Jayco did an amazing job engineering this bed, and it works great. I would like to show you that this also has 2 seat belts. That means you can travel 4 passengers in this. And once everything is folded and put away, you're back onto the sofa mode with a single seat right here. And all the step light and awning light controls are right here at the entrance, which makes it very, very easy and accessible. The cab has all the modern RAM Promaster functionalities with the big screen, very modern, with the wireless charging port. And it also has the auxiliary start, 3 cup holders. Very, very cool. A little space right here to store maps, gloves, or whatever they may be. And next to the TV also there are some narrow but long and deep spaces to store some more stuff. Now let's go to the bathroom. So the bathroom here is in the back. With a wardrobe here, with a hanging wardrobe. This is the lagoon table. This is where it resides when you're in traveling mode. Drawers. 1, 2, and 3. It's got a privacy door, a light, a fan. The shower is right here with the shower miser, a folding sink, and a medicine cabinet behind the mirror. Theford toilet, a cassette toilet, is located here, which this is swiveling, so you can actually find your perfect direction where you could be comfortable. This is a 5-gallon black tank that is easily accessible and detachable for you to empty it at your convenience at any rest stop, dumping stations, even at your home. Over here we do have a light that is for further illumination. We have a spray port, 2 AC outlets, and then the shower that basically attaches to the port here. And that way you can shower outside or clean off your muddy boots, bikes, gear, the dog, anything that you don't want to bring inside into the van. That's where you take care of. There's some storage nets here on both doors, and a waterproof toilet paper holder. Also a magnetic privacy curtains and a towel bar. At the very top you also have the rear view camera. It also has a hitch with the standard 7-pin attachment, which makes it a very unique and powerful small camper van for those of you who would like to enter the RV life, van life style. And this is really, really cute. The awning has the LED lighting. Even the awning is actually retracted mode, so that's very, very cool. You don't have to extract the awning to get some light, so that's pretty cool. The footstep has some illumination as well. And over here, about the single seat, we also have the control center, the generator start stop. We have the tank heaters, the water pump, and the gray, fresh, and battery power control center where you can monitor everything. It also has a max air fan and an AC. I don't know what else would you need. I also see a special attachment here for the JBL Bluetooth speaker that can easily be attached here. Also, the door has a zipperable screen, and it's magnetic, as you can see. And once it's open, it magnetizes at the middle. I know this is only a 15 feet RAM Promaster chassis, but it's got everything that you need on the road and then some. If you have enjoyed this video, please like and comment. I do read all comments. I try to respond to all of them. Subscribe to the channel if you would like to watch more of these videos, and thank you for your support. And until the next time, see you on the road.